Storms, tornadoes slam U.S. South, killing at the least 7 humans. A giant, swirling storm system billowing across the South on Thursday killed at the least 6 people in central Alabama, where a tornado ripped roofs off houses and uprooted timber in historic Selma. Even as every other person was killed in Georgia, wherein severe winds knocked out energy to tens of thousands of people. In Autauga County, Alabama, 41 miles northeast of Selma, at the least 6 fatalities have been showed and an estimated 40 houses have been damaged or destroyed by a tornado that reduced a 20-mile route throughout rural communities, stated Ernie Baggett, the county's emergency control director. Several mobile houses have been released into the air and at the least 12 humans have been injured critically sufficient to be taken to hospitals via way of means of emergency responders, Baggett instructed the Associated Press. He stated crews have been targeted Thursday night time on slicing via down timber to search for folks who can also additionally want help. It really did a good bit of damage. This is the worst that I've seen here in this county, Baggett said. In Georgia, a passenger died when a tree fell on a vehicle in Jackson during the storm, Butts County Coroner Lacey Prue said. In the same county southeast of Atlanta, the storm appeared to have knocked a freight train off its tracks, officials said.